Okay, so what I did was I added the iron wire here in this section inside on this iron wire is aluminum wire. I kind of gave up on adding more iron wire. Um, I could have added to the focus. There's copper wire underneath. It's enough. It will act like it will react as a thruster. I have aluminum wire, iron wire. The copper wire is under there. It will magnetically flux density. The iron wire. The iron wire would make a higher frequency ions, and the aluminum wire will cause the local iron wire and copper wire to oscillate. So now I'm going to create a toroidal transformer and wrap it around here to the side of the shoe. Loop it through another collapse because this is going to be the second collapse coil. Then I'm going to wrap another one up here zigzag going this way. So here it will loop through the threadings and the threadings and the threadings all the way around the entire shoe. I still haven't put the capacitors on there, but and that will be like a toroidal transformer. And I still have one. This will be this following collapse coil. This is the second collapse coil. This is the third collapse coil. Okay, so here's the boot sneaker, and it looks a little bit like, I doubt it, but you tell me what you think. So there I have the aluminum, and I ran the helix. I did something like a toroidal transformer. I did a net wear underneath the shoe, like a net underneath the shoe, and you see it right there, a network, and I have a solenoid linear circuit going up. I have aluminum wire, iron wire, and copper wire, and I have aluminum sheet metal, a thick sheet of metal of aluminum. And then what I did is I did something like a toroidal transformer around it, and just a network, and looped it through another solenoid that is at the top. And there I have the top. This is aluminum. This is the 450 volt ultra capacitor. This is sneaker boot, flight boot. I think I would do some Jordans, but I don't know. Now this is double, so I do have collapse coil. So this is a double coil, and it should collapse. And here's another coil. Then I have a coil underneath the aluminum, which is another collapse coil. And this is on my right foot, so I gotta give it a little spang to put my foot in there. And I'm all in. And I guess that's how it is. Like, and I gotta put the rubber at the bottom. So what do you think it'll look like? Somebody said it would look like Air Max or something like that. And I just would have to rubber it out. And so I could sit in clear rubber or something like that. Probably get a nice paint job, spray job, whatever. But I need a series capacitors going down here. And I'll drive it. And I got also a synchronous top around the rim for the inductor. It's around the part of the input right here. So this is another one other thing that's also in the radius of the air gap. This is the coil right here. It's also in another radius of the air gap. And that goes around my ankle, closer to my ankle other than this with the air gap right here. The one at the bottom for the linear motor to slide forward. So you think of it. I think it's a nice motor. I guess I'm trying my best. I only get views, I only get views. So I don't know. What do you think? And this is my other sneaker, so comparison to this one. But okay, let's see how it goes.